Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to block automatic downloads permission on the Facebook app when using it on your PC, following the latest update. This is a quick and easy process that gives you more control over your device and helps save on bandwidth and storage. So, let's jump right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account, and once you're in, look towards the top of the page. Next, click on the three dots located at the upper right corner. This icon opens a quick menu with additional options and settings that relate specifically to how your Facebook app behaves. From this menu, choose the option labeled App Info. Clicking on this will redirect you to the app's main settings interface, where you can dig deeper into individual preferences. Once you're in the App Info section, find and click on Settings. This takes you to a broader range of options that control how the Facebook app interacts with your device. Now scroll down and find the section labeled More Settings and Permissions. This area contains all the detailed permissions Facebook has access to on your PC. Here's the key step. Look for automatic downloads. By default, this might be set to Allow, meaning Facebook can automatically download files and media in the background. Click next to it, and a drop-down or toggle option will appear. Choose Block. Once you do this, Facebook will no longer be able to automatically download media or other files without your permission. And that's it. You've successfully stopped the Facebook app from automatically downloading files on your PC. This helps keep your device running smoothly and puts you in control of what gets saved to your system. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.